These cinematic quality 3D documentary videos have garnered millions of views on YouTube. Most people assume that you need years of animation experience to make something like this. But here's the secret. Today, you can create professional 3D documentary sequences in just a few minutes, even if you've never opened an animation software in your life. I've been experimenting with this method for weeks, and now I'm going to show you step by step how you can produce videos that look like they took months of time and money to make, when in fact they take less than 20 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating 3D animated documentaries using ChatGPT. You'll learn how to design scenes, animate them, and ultimately create a complete documentary sequence that rivals the quality of videos on the biggest channels, just like this video. Comment and subscribe. For example, in this video, we are going to create a documentary about an FBI agent re-examining a closed case, something that usually requires expensive 3D software and months of work. But with the help of AI, we can do the same project in just a few minutes. The first step is to generate a storyboard, which we do with ChatGPT. Of course, we do this in a smart way to get exactly the output we need for 3D rendering. Now it's time to open ChatGPT. The sentence you need to enter is create 15 prompts about the most genius FBI operation. Each sentence should be based on a specific template. This template ensures that the output is exactly what we need for our documentary animation. Now hit enter. You will see that ChatGPT produces complete and ready-made instructions instead of a simple explanation. See how professionally and perfectly formatted this output is. This means you no longer have to manually improve the instructions for each scene. Everything is ready to be produced to the quality of a real documentary. Now it's time to log into Dream AI. At this point, we'll enter all the prompts that ChatGPT has prepared for us, one by one. Copy the first prompt and paste it into Dream AI. Now look, an image is created exactly as we needed it. Repeat the same process with the second prompt, then the third, then the fourth, and so on. The result is that at the end, you have a complete set of precise 3D images. Images that are each professionally designed and precisely shape the atmosphere of our detective documentary. These images are the main foundation of our documentary animation. From here on, we can move on to the next step, animating the scenes and creating a complete documentary sequence that looks like a professional cinematic production in every way. Now go back to ChatGPT. This time you need to tell it prepare a complete documentary video script based on the same prompts we used for the images. ChatGPT will create the video script for you in a few moments. This script will match the images exactly and help you have a coherent and professional narrative, something like the scripts you hear in TV documentaries or big YouTube channels. Now it's time for the voiceover. Go to 11 Labs, copy the script that ChatGPT has prepared for you, and paste it into 11 Labs. It only takes a few seconds to produce a completely professional and natural narration. It only takes a few seconds to produce a completely professional and natural narration, a voice that sounds exactly like the dubbing of TV documentaries. In this way, your video will not only have stunning 3D images, but also be accompanied by a powerful and professional sound that multiplies the quality of the entire project. Now we move on to the next step, converting photos to video. Simply go to one of the sites or tools that have the image to video feature. In this step, import all the images you created with Dream AI, one by one. You can choose to add a motion prompt for each image to give the scene more movement and life, or even continue without prompts, and the images will automatically turn into a smooth and cinematic video. I personally did this with Halo AI and Kling AI. These tools make the process of converting photos to video much faster and easier, and the output looks incredibly natural and professional. This way you have a complete video of 3D scenes, something that looks like it was created with complex software in months of time, when in fact everything was ready in a matter of minutes. Now it's time to jump into CapCut, or any other editing software you're comfortable with. This is where everything comes together and your project starts to take on the shape of a real documentary. The first thing you need to do is import all the files you've prepared into your project. The videos you've created from the combination of prompts and 3D renderings, the professional voiceover from 11 Labs, and the background music you've chosen. Now drag and drop the videos one by one onto the timeline. Arrange them in the right order, so that the documentary story is told in a linear and coherent way. After that, it's time to work on each clip. If there's a website logo or watermark somewhere, you can zoom in or crop the image to remove it. These small changes will make your output look much more professional and cleaner. Next comes the background music. For a detective documentary, it's best to use mysterious and slightly tense music. Turn the volume down so that it doesn't interfere with the narration, but only enhances the mood of the scene. To keep the video from being static, you can add motion effects to some parts, such as a soft zoom, pan, or slide. This creates a cinematic feel and keeps the viewer engaged from start to finish. Personally, I always use a slow zoom for some key scenes because it's so impressive and eye-catching. Remember, this was just a quick example of the editing process. You can spend a lot more time adjusting the colors, adding lighting effects, or even adding subtitles. Any detail that contributes to the attractiveness and quality of the video is worth the time. If you have any questions along the way, or have an idea in your mind that you think is worth teaching, be sure to write in the comments section. I always welcome your feedback and can even create separate videos for your suggested topics. Once you have done all this, it's time to output. Save the output in the highest quality possible, for example 1080p or 4K, because high quality has a big impact on the viewer's experience, and even the YouTube algorithm. Now you have a complete and professional video. The next step is to publish it on various social networks. You can upload the video to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook. These contents have a high potential to attract millions of views, and these views can be the start of a sustainable dollar business for you. I am very happy that you have been with me up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like the video now, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to receive future tutorials. And now we get to the best part, the final result. Let's watch the video we made together. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself. God bless.
The room glows with blue holographic maps, case files floating mid-air. A featureless figure in a sharp dark suit points to the digital display. We've tracked the syndicate to tonight's gala. Every move must be precise close-up. The figure flips through a digital dossier, suspect profiles flicker across the glass. Over the shoulder. The map reveals a web of connections converging on one location, the gala. Once we're inside, there are no second chances. A hush falls, the room darkens to a single spotlight on the figure as final instructions echo like a vow. In FBI surveillance van downtown, rainy night, monitors glow inside the van, cables running across the floor, a featureless figure in tactical gear sits before the screens, rain streaking across the window behind. Target just entered. Commence. Phase 2. Close-up. Fingers twist a radio dial. Static bursts before settling on encrypted comms. From behind, a screen shows the target entering the ballroom. Visual confirmed. He's carrying the case.